Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make juice-it-up smoothies. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. Think about your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a good liquid base like almond milk or orange juice. Next, make sure your blender is ready. A high-speed model works best for that perfectly smooth texture. Finally, take a moment to wash, peel, and chop your produce. This preparation ensures a quick and easy blending process, setting you up for a delicious treat. Now let's talk about the core components and their ideal amounts. For that signature thick and cold smoothie, aim for about 1.5 cups of frozen fruit. This is key for texture. Then, add approximately 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid, like almond milk or coconut water, to help it blend smoothly. Don't forget to include 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder or a nutritional boost for extra goodness. These ratios are a great starting point for a balanced and delicious drink. Achieving the perfect smoothie texture is all about your blending technique. Begin by starting your blender on a low speed. This helps to gently break down any larger, tougher ingredients without overwhelming the motor. Once things start to combine, gradually increase the speed to high. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no chunks remaining. If your smoothie seems too thick, add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of liquid at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. The best part about making your own smoothies is the endless customization. Feel free to experiment with various fruits, leafy greens, and superfood add-ins like chia seeds or spirulina. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can always add a touch of natural sweetener, such as 1 teaspoon of honey or a couple of pitted dates. Once your masterpiece is complete, simply pour your freshly made smoothie into a glass. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious creation right away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.